The uncertainty deals with what is the degree of uncertainty you're facing. It deals with your ability to predict how the situation will unfold and what would the outcomes of your actions be. And there is very specific language describing situations in the science of decision making, and I think they're helpful. So there is one situation where you have a deterministic situation. In a deterministic situation, you pretty much know what will happen if you do something. So, for example, if you default on a corporate loan, the bank will seize your collateral per your loan agreement. Or if you pull the plug down on a manufacturing plant, the manufacturing volume for that plant will be zero. The consequences are very clear. In fact, the purpose of having a reliable legal system that has clear rules and that are being followed is to reduce uncertainty. So this is the simplest situation. Next is the situation of risk. And this is when you could reasonably predict different possible scenarios of the future, and you can also reasonably estimate the likelihood of each of them occurring. You can take calculated risks, even if you do not know exactly what will happen. You can have your most likely scenario, your contingency plans, you can place bets, you can outline the various conditions that would trigger one action plan versus something else. There is a lot of if-then logic under risk. And then what we are facing now is the situation of uncertainty. It's so murky that we're not even able to paint a picture of likely future outcomes and estimate their likelihood. So this is, currently the COVID-19 pandemic is a good example. But more classically, anytime when a business is entering a new market or creating a new market, it's the same situation. And in this case, as we make decisions, we try our best to distinguish the knowns from the unknowns and start outlining different scenarios and hope that with time, as we learn, the degree of uncertainty will come down.